So we're going to be changing these ugly halogen light bulbs to LED. Yeah, this thing's ugly. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Gianni, this is Brooke.
Hi.
And today I'm changing the reverse light bulbs on the SRT.
They look good
comes with the
already.
boring halogen light bulbs. No, they do not look good. They look like shit. And we're going to change them to LED light bulbs. So that's what I'm going to be installing today. It's another mod on the SRT. Let's get it done. You guys haven't seen the new hoodie?
Ooh,
Look at that.
Drip,
Look
drip,
at that.
drip,
Dripping that SRT.
Nice.
It's nice.
The light bulbs that I bought, I actually got them from Diode Dynamics. I know some people have used these before. So here they are. LED light bulbs. I hope they're the right ones. We're about to find out.
You hope?
I didn't bring gloves, so if I touch the old light bulbs, they're probably not going to work for a long time because the oil on the fingers, you know?
Great. Okay.
And I keep banging my head on this bad boy. So we're going to get these installed. Let's do it.
Guys.
All right, so first we're going to try to change these little ones out first.
So this is just stock?
Yeah, these are stock light bulbs. So I'm just going to get in here, get these push pins
Why
out.
do you like them?
Because they're just boring. They're boring. You're going to see how the LEDs look. They look insane. So just got to get these push pins out.
Oh, is that your push pin thing that you did last time?
Yeah, push pin thing.
In the last video?
In the last video, and I didn't have it. So let's see. I got the tints on these two. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. Let's see. It should just pop out, I think.
Oh my god, G, I swear if you crumble in your hand. Bye.
Alright, so we got this. Oh! Alright, we got it out. So the reverse bulb is the bottom one. So, right? It should be this one.
Yes.
So to get it out,
He's like electrocuted.
that's a good. Car's off, right?
Yes. Is it off?
I think it's off. How the hell do you get this? Oh, so this thing just pushes up, I guess.
The same true.
It's red tab. And then, all right, so we just twist this off. Boom, and the light's out.
Okay. That's the bottom.
That's the reverse light.
Reverse side. Got it. Okay. Gotcha.
All right, so now I just gotta take this light bulb out. Just sucks I don't have gloves on. I don't want to touch this. I guess I have to still.
Is it hot?
No.
Okay. Just do gentle.
Hopefully this matches up. Why do these look different? So these look like these. And then the small ones go on like this one? Maybe. Okay. Let's try it out. See what happens.
I can't stop filming because I have no hands free, so.
Fuck, I don't want to touch this. Alright, so here's the new LED light bulb. Gonna be pushing this right in. Heard a little snap. Now let's grab this. Got it. I got it. Shove it back in this way. And then we just gotta figure out how to get it back. Should be like this, I think, yeah. And then twist it this way, yeah. And then back down.
Is that one done?
That one's done.
Wow, that was easy. Ooh.
Is it in?
No.
No. It's one of the wires touching. Tuck them in. Tuck them in a little better.
That's weird.
Oh, there we go. Good?
Really, I think
Yeah.
so.
Now we get our push pins. Get our push pins and just pop them back in place. If I can get them back in place.
You are not the push pin king.
Push pins are not good to me.
Because that looks difficult.
Oh, okay. This one wants to be nice.
So why do you have 4 other bulbs then?
So I'm going to be changing this one, that one on that side, obviously.
Okay.
And then these two.
Oh, I forgot
So I'm guessing
about
this one's a
these.
smaller bulb. It does look small. Yeah, it looks smaller.
Okay.
So I should have the right bulbs.
Is that in all the way, babe? Like the top?
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah?
Looks like it is, right?
Yeah. Okay. On some
Does it look weird?
No.
Oh, looks good.
Also, like the trunk's open, so I...
Push pin out. Get this bad boy out. So much easier with this tool. Remember I was like struggling last time with this?
Yeah. We all remember. That took behind the scenes like...
Behind the scenes took a minute.
Like 20 minutes.
Why don't you pop out, son?
Maybe it's not the tool, maybe it's you, babe.
No, it's the tool.
Alright, if I can recall correctly, now you gotta pop this bad boy out.
So I gotta pop it out. Just
And
pop it out.
The
Just
reverse
pop
light
it
at
out.
the bottom. And like, mechanics charge for this stuff?
Yeah.
That's
I wonder what
really
they charge
crazy,
for this though.
because that's an easy mod to do by
This is
yourself.
pretty easy.
As long as you have the right stuff, obviously.
It's always a little pain in the ass to get it out. It might be the tints. I think it might be because of the tints. Maybe it's a little tighter in there.
I don't know.
But
Look at it. Ooh, got it.
it's slow. You gotta jiggle it.
Jiggle it, jiggle it.
It's like stuck over here though. Why is it stuck?
Come on, babe, come on. You gotta
All right.
do it. You can do it.
Brought some plastic prying tools, so
Oh, he's
probably pop it
prepared today, my friend.
out. Today I came
Even though
prepared.
today's 20 degrees warmer than it was last time.
There we go.
Ooh.
Boom.
Hoo, hoo, hoo.
Boom. Shakalaka.
You like that sound?
All right, same thing. Push up on this red piece over here.
I can't see, baby. Use a camera.
Can't see
here.
it?
Thank you so much.
So push up on this red piece, and then we twist it. Boom. So much easier. Hold this real quick.
Hiya.
Thank you.
Family lunch?
Sure.
Ooh, we have it on camera. There's no going back. The surf and turf.
We got a $10 minimum.
From Sizzler?
And then we just pop this in. This one's a little pain in the ass. This one's just not sliding in. I hope it works.
The other one worked fine.
I think I gotta test it.
How?
I'm gonna just hold that. Don't touch it.
Damn. Please don't electrocute me, babe. Oh my god, guys. It works. Yeah, it works. It's actually really bright.
Big money.
Okay.
Perfect. So now we just grab it again. There's a little. Okay. That's why this has been such a pain. Okay. So it goes in like this. Line up the lines. Twist it. Boom. Boom.
Okay.
Alright. Bada bing, bada boom. Ooh, this one slid in so much easier. Okay. Okay.
Hey, can you say Oprah?
Oprah.
Oh, say it again?
Oprah.
No, not Oprah, not Oprah. Oprah. Oprah.
Oprah.
Oh. Got it? Oh my god.
This one's like really in there. But
I'm fully laying down.
sorry, luckily I got my prying tools. Alright, so we got the back panel out. You see all the clips that are over here. We have to unscrew these light bulbs that were over here because that's the only thing that's actually holding this piece in. So once you get the light bulbs taken out over here, just put this somewhere until you were done. Car. Now we'll access these light bulbs. There we go. Just came right out. Yeah, this is the same light bulb. Alright, let me take this out.
Finally got it out.
Finally got it out. And then put the new one in. Should be good to go. And then just kind of find this
The sweet spot.
sweet spot. Alright. Alright, so we just removed the bulb over here. Just slides right out. I wish I had gloves on, so I don't want to mess up these light bulbs. but yeah, fuck it. Just won't touch the light. All right, so now this just goes straight in here. Where's it? This way. There we go. Just slides right in.
Cool.
And boom. That's it. Locks right in place.
Nice.
And then we got to put the plastic piece back on, and then we'll test them out.
Done.
So this part should be easy. Basically, you just want to put the light bulbs through the thing first, like this. Like this, and then it'll screw into place. And then we'll do both sides. So basically, when you're putting this piece back on, luckily I have Brooke. You should definitely use somebody. It's definitely hard to do it by yourself. But basically, these pieces line up in there, and then you just twist it, and then it'll hold. Like you see the other side, like the other side's already, this isn't going anywhere, so it's already in place. So then we're gonna do this side, and then we're just gonna line up the clips and just pop it back in, and then I'll show you the final product.
Perfect. Hit that corner piece one more time.
All right, so we're gonna see it. Ooh, those are bright. It looks so much better in person. On camera, they just look so bright, but they look good. So much better. If you guys enjoyed the content, thanks for watching. I got a couple more things coming up, just like dress up wise for the car. But I definitely have some plans for stuff. Exhaust is coming, headers be coming. I'm thinking about turning this SRT into a sleeper. So definitely gonna try to add some horsepower to it and you know, see where it goes. So thanks for watching. If you guys like the content, hit that subscribe button and see you next video.